Everyone talks about AI saving time, but my Claude assistant actually runs my day. Emails get replied to, meetings get booked, documents get created, spreadsheets get updated, all from a single prompt without opening any of those apps. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how I built this and how you can set up the same thing in under 10 minutes. So what is actually happening here? The whole setup runs through the Zapier MCP server. MCP stands for Model Context Protocol. Think of it as the bridge that connects Claude to the apps you already use every day. Without it, Claude can talk about your work. With it, Claude can actually do your work. And here's something most people don't know. Zapier MCP works on every plan. Free, Pro, Team, Enterprise. You don't need a premium account. Each action Claude takes counts as 2 tasks from your Zapier quota. So that's worth knowing upfront before you start building. Let me break down what just happened. I sent Claude this. Reply to Jay that I'm in. Book us a meeting tomorrow at 2 p.m. Create a Google Doc with the project brief. Log the deal in my brand deals sheet. Claude processed the instruction and Zapier executed every action in sequence. The reply went out through Gmail. The calendar event appeared in Google Calendar. The doc was generated in Google Docs. The raw was added in Google Sheets. 4 apps handled from one chat window without switching a single tab. Step 1. Create your Zapier MCP server. Go to mcp.zapier.com. Click New MCP server and select Claude as your client. Give your server a name. I called mine Personal Assistant. Then hit Create. One thing worth knowing: the server URL you get works across multiple AI clients. So if you also use Chat, GPT, or Cursor, you can connect the same server to all of them without rebuilding anything. Step 2. Add your tools. Add tool allows you to search for apps. Click the tool and search for apps you mostly use. You're seeing Gmail, Calendar, Docs, and Sheets here because those are apps I use for my daily work. For each app, you connect your account and choose which specific actions Claude can run. Keep it tight, send emails, create calendar events, generate documents, update spreadsheet rows. 4 tools is a solid starting point. Once you see how it runs day to day, you'll know exactly where to expand. Step 3. Connect it to Claude. Click the Connect tab inside your Zapier MCP dashboard. Your server URL is right there. Copy it. Open Claude Desktop, go to Settings, find Integrations. Add a new integration, give it a name, paste the URL and save. That's the entire connection. Claude now has access to every app you just linked. Step 4. Test it. Open a new chat in Claude. Click the tools icon and confirm your Zapier integration is showing. Then give it a real task, not a test prompt, something you'd actually need done. I typed, check my Gmail for any unread messages from clients and summarize them for me. Claude went into the inbox, pulled the relevant emails, broke down each one, and told me who needed a reply and what the message was about. What I noticed quickly is that the more specific your instruction, the cleaner the result. Vague prompts get vague outputs. After a few real tasks, you start to feel the right way to phrase things naturally. Now, here's where this gets more powerful. Claude has a feature called Skills. A skill is a saved instruction you write once, and Claude runs the same way every time you trigger it. You stop re-explaining yourself. Claude already knows what to do. Think of it like training someone on your team. You show them once how you want something done. After that, they just handle it. To create one, go to Customize, then Skills, and click the plus button. You can write the instructions yourself or use Claude's built-in skill creator, which asks you questions and builds the skill file for you. I built 3 skills that changed how I work every day. The first is my morning briefing skill. When I type what's on my plate today, Claude pulls my tasks, checks my calendar, flags anything overdue, and gives me a structured brief for the day. New chat, no context given. It already knows exactly what to do because the skill handles everything. The second is my weekly planner skill. Every Monday, I run it, answer a few questions about my priorities, and Claude builds my full week in Notion with time blocks, effort levels, and deadlines. The entire plan shows up as a board view, grouped by day. The third is a follow-up skill. When I finish a client call, I type send follow-up, and Claude pulls the relevant email thread, drafts a summary covering what was discussed and what comes next, then logs it in my brand deals sheet. What used to eat 20 minutes now takes 1 line and about 15 seconds. Once each skill is built, Claude generates the file. Go to Customize, then Skills, click plus, upload the file, and it's installed. Claude fires it automatically the next time your trigger phrase matches. One more thing worth knowing: you don't need a skill for every task. Once your connectors are set up, Claude can handle ad hoc requests in any conversation. You can tell it, create a task for Wednesday called Pay Invoices, and it does it immediately. Skills are for workflows you repeat. Connectors work everywhere. This entire setup took less than 10 minutes. Now I have a Claude assistant that knows my workflows, controls my apps, and handles the repetitive work, so I can focus on what actually moves things forward. The prompts and the Zapier MCP link are in the description. If you build this, drop what you automated first in the comments.